Imagine a world where you buy your groceries, pay bills and travel based on your good behavior ratings.
Now the Chinese are also ranked, given a mark out of a possible 950 points. A score in the 700s is considered good, around the 500 mark is not. For now, the number is a sort of bank credit rating. Criticizing the government online or displaying outward signs of wealth is a no-no. On the other hand, praising the party or giving blood increases your social credit. Xiao Wen-Wang is a model citizen.
As a good citizen, I respect the rules of the road. If I didn't, I'd lose points on my social credit.
In theory, everything can be taken into account in the social score, even the most innocuous errands like supermarket shopping. When Xiao Wen-Wang makes an electronic payment, her purchases tell the state a lot about her. Buying cigarettes would count against her. On the other hand, nappies show she's an attentive mother. Beer could indicate alcoholism. She'd be better off buying water.
Where your thoughts are being monitored to judge your motives.
Psychopaths.
正義は議論の種になるが
Set in a dystopian Japan where everything is controlled by a seemingly omniscient computer, the Sybil system, Psychopaths ask some pretty hefty questions. Namely, is it possible for a computer to determine everything about us?
職業的先行者は個人の能力を最大限に生かし、安定した生活を保障します。人間はより人間らしい暮らしへ、芸術と自然、そして平和を誰もが享受できる世界を実現したのです。
And more importantly, would we want to live in a society without free will?
あらゆる矛盾と不公平の解消された合理的社会の実現。それこそが全ての人類の理性が求める究極の幸福です。完全無欠のシステムとして完成することにより、シビラはその理想を体現する存在となりました。
Well, as it happens, this question isn't just about philosophy, but
A world where every criminal is judged by agentic artificial intelligence.
Mercy is a 2026 American science fiction thriller film directed by Timur Bekmambetov, starring Chris Pratt and Rebecca Ferguson. The plot involves a detective, Pratt, who is accused of murdering his wife and must prove his innocence to an artificial intelligence judge, Ferguson. In a futuristic Los Angeles with crime on the rise, the Mercy Capital Court uses artificial intelligence judges to put defendants on trial for violent crimes. The AI judges give the defendants all available resources to find and provide all the evidence needed and are given 90 minutes to prove their innocence or be executed via a sonic blast. This is the world Bekmambetov constructs, and for the first 10 minutes of Mercy, it is genuinely unnerving. The surveillance architecture is not science fiction. It is tomorrow's infrastructure described in yesterday's breathless marketing language. The screenplay by Marco Van Bell raises legitimately disturbing questions about our utter lack of privacy in today's world of social media profile sharing, surveillance cameras, citizen journalists, wielding smartphones, Gemini, ChatGPT, body cams, and so on. Every doorbell, every drone, every ring camera feeds into a unified municipal cloud. The Mercy Court acts as judge, jury, and executioner.
Ia, koe ang gondo sa kila, ni sakya na ngauna mo ni anramay na mod, isa toro wala kasaramay na ngauna ni vivuit, may na matay ni ngauna, ni nonda sa vakambauta, roma wasi chin katulu kinatikina chin kandua. Enai mbaki ronondolu kathiwa, kina mbaki ronondolu chin katulu, ea vakavatukanatakaki tiko na matinitulivu ni China, endo na vakayagataki lavo vakaliwaliwa, ka vakatokaitu na social credit system. Ena ronondolu kachini, na koro vakawalanyi levu kusuining, ena esana vakaturango sisuan, didi vakikina, endo na pilot stage ni social credit system. Irna leo ni vano suining, e solivera endo nondulu na puin, e mailutu sombu na nonrandui puindi, ena itopo dhame vakanan raiva vakatayana, e ngunisala, takoso ena vano dhal, kena senga ningarabi vavinaka, kuirna ngasi, se irna nonra leo ni vali. Toso dhakina nonra puindi, ke ira vivuke ena vingarabi virna ndamravua, se vakavukui ena sona vingarabi, ena loma ni tiko se community service. Otia sa maidhabatu ena vuku ni thunruvaka kuirna leo ni vanua, ka ena mbaki ronondolu chinikatulu, e maidhithi vakitali endo atali na kiana pilot stage, ena koro vakawalain korong che, ena yasana vakaturang ko Shandong, ka e wasi vidheke maina kiana vakatovotovotaki, maina koro levu ko suining, e solibirna leo ni vanua ni koro levu ko rong cheng, ena e matai ni ngauna, endo na undolo na pointi ka vakatokai me level A kala yadrava sara na AAA ena kiana vakatangende idaki sara ka level D ena kiana vakatangende lolobira taundua na vunik ena lutu sombo na pointi kuira so baleta na itovodha vakana driver tiko ena ngunu mateni se driving under the influence na mbenu dha se littering mudhe ena sosominindinau se ndona mbili ni vali se totongi mena vali ni vile wai ka toso dhake na nonra pointi kuira na leo ni vonua era solindra se blood donation bivuke kaloma soli vir na ndravua kena vingara bibir na yanda kiira na ngasi kuira na leo ni vonua ka tiko ena vakatangende na AAA era dhodhobiteki me vwana matin tu me wakala musu sombo na nonra mbili ni liva se wai kena shopping voucher se solivira e sona free parking space ena loma ni taoni irna leo ni vanoka era lolobira sara ena vakatangende ni level D era vakandendetaki vira na vangaradhakadhaka kena vuki andravi na nonra bitosaki ena loma ni koro levongo ena mbaki runondolu chin kaba ema iramba ilevu sara na kena vakatovotovotaki na social credit system e China ena ndua vira na koro vakaturanga koshenai e asenga ni vakayagataki kena ndolo na pointi katamba tolu walenga na vakatangende ni wasewase membaletir na leo ni vanua na vakatangende e tolu ongo na bad good kena very good ena kena mai Vinaka na system ongo ena roba kadada na embaki sange mai launch taki ena embaki ronondolu chinkaono na honest Shanghai app emai vakayagataki na facial recognition sena vakambauti ni mata me login kina na apps ongo ena lomba ni apps ongo emai maroritu kina na tukutuku kele membaletiko kambimbi ya vakaraitaka na ndui social credit status veira na leo ni vanua kuira na leo ni vanua era tiko ena vakatangende ni bed era tambaki na edhanra nonra itamba vatake na tukutuku membaletira ena billboard lelevu ena lomba ni taoni me vaka mando atakira vikenda na itokani ni sarsara ka vakarorongo tiko mai ongo saranga na ituvaki ena roboti vuravura kena vimaten tu anga unadhavo ni taronga mbeka orau ni vakanditaka viko ena loma nga ni tolu na mbaki mengo ena mbaki sauti na rondolo rosanga vulkalima na matambosi na Club of Rome kena Hot or Cool Institute e Roma indova ta me tauyavuteki na Materials and Consumption Task Force na inaki ni Materials and Consumption Task Force ongo mesa vakasalataki na vimatintu ena kena taroli na vakasambu-sambuteki ni yaumbula se natural resources kaungeti kenda na tamate ando me kenda vitorilinga vata ena maringeti na yaumbula me didi mbalavu ka voti kubir na tamata maimuri se sustainable resource management e vola ena vata ni kakambura kilevu na Reuters kuirau na turanko Louis Akenzi ke Yanes Potochnik ni sa rui malmalu mundina na nonra yanrawa na vimatintu na kena vakayagataki vakasambu-sambu na yaumbula ka isianga walenga ni rauta na sasanga vakarecycling ke vaka mena voti kona yaumbula membaletir na kautamata mimuri rausuli vakasala kuirau o Akenzi ke Potochnik mendua na International Materials Agency me vukea ka vakasalatakir na vimatintu ena kena vakayagataki na yaumbula kenda sa regetelenga na kena mai vakatovotovoteki vakadhadha na reivotongo ena vidha na policies me vakana crisis rationing time of use billing kena demand restraint measures ningai vakantikiava na vikaongo ena nomningauna ngalala ena katini kalima ni volo Julai ronondolu rusanga volkatulu e avakau tiko e ndona kaivesu ko Wesley Anderson ena ngaunisala levu na Interstate 294 maina voli ko kei Chicago, Illinois, mai Amerika e rau leo rona uvisa rau vikau tiko ngoma ena Park Ridge Police Department kina Lake County Jail ena ngaunisa tosu tiko na lori ena Interstate 294 highway sa rau ridha na uvisa na nona vimonge tiko na kaivesu ngo ko Wesley Anderson sa lori ni sa vukidha mailiu na nona ivesu nilinga ko Wesley Anderson sa mai kele na batinengun sal ko irano visa me vesu talvabina kana kaivesu ngo ena non rausanga me vesu kibabina ko Wesley Anderson ko irano visa e mai monge rau kokoya ka rawati rau na uvisa ngo me didia ni kinangun sal le ala kita roba sa ro Wesley Anderson ndona ve ka vir tekin reba itu baka maninguma toko Anderson menro. May reba takasar ko Mr. Anderson na ven ongo kalay tao na lom Indonesia sa may Northbrook, Illinois. May buta ko sar Mr. Anderson nito na motoka na Chevrolet Camaro melakin roko ko ya metakosya ni may Illinois ki Wisconsin na ngunsaliw na Interstate 94 northbound. Hukuni na sa takusowa na state border may Illinois may dure ni ki Wisconsin. Erto may bibuke na Wisconsin State Patrol ki erto na Kenosha County Sheriff Department. Metobu ka veshu ko Wesley Anderson do na telematics technology kaya na OnStar install takito na lori kan reba buta ko tiko Wesley Anderson.
Now vehicles like this one, equipped with OnStar, can be remotely disabled before a chase can begin.
We have the ability at OnStar to be able to connect to the vehicle in between cycles of its ignition. It's primarily used when we need to unlock a vehicle's door. It's also very important in those situations where a vehicle's been stolen, where we can reach into that vehicle, interact with the OnStar module, pull out the location, and now in the case of ignition block, be able to prevent the felon from actually being able to start the car and get away.
Every month, OnStar helps police find about 600 vehicles through its embedded GPS, and also has the ability to slow down a properly equipped vehicle that's already involved in a chase.
To have the ability to have a car not be able to be started or shut down is it's extremely important to eliminate those opportunities for those chases to get out of hand and have somebody get hurt. And we've seen far too many of those.
OnStar is standard equipment on most new Cadillac, Chevrolet, Buick, and GMC models.
Tuto mikatali na italano membaleti Wesley Anderson. Sanga ibibuki ko irito na OnStar Command Center mekakuwa ni dhonga kamawa ko Wesley Anderson. Sanga iwabuliti ko na visa kama ibisuki ko. Ongo indo na kena vakaraitaki membaleta na IoT technology mesa liba-liba kita nga na motoka.